Sindhu, of course, India's pride in badminton right now, but didn't really fetch the highest amount in the auction today. Doesn't really bother you much, does it?
Yes, well, it doesn't really bother me, but of course, as to explain about it, we have a lot system, and my name is come last. By then, already have
Like it happens with all other players.
yeah. So all the other players have gone already to each team, and and also there was this retaining system, and Chennai has the thing to retain it back again because last year I was with their team, so they have done it. And nothing about talking about the money, and everybody's has been asking me why less for the icon player or whatever. But I think it doesn't really depend on the money. It's just that the way you play and the game it has.
I'm going to ask you a little tough one here. Saina Nehwal, of course, recently has spoken out and said, the injuries have taken a toll on me. I feel like my career might not be, might not go on for very long.
Ups and downs are always there in life. So injuries are a part of life, and we can't say no to injuries. They just come, and you have to just be. Like brave enough to overcome that, and you have to be prepared. And of course anybody is gonna really feel bad when they are with injuries, but you have to be brave enough to come up, and you need to rehab them and come back on court. I think that is the main thing, and I think Saina has been better now. She's back to play again.
Speaking of hard work, your coach, of course, is a hard taskmaster. Can you just take us through what exactly a day before, your preps before the Olympics, what was each day like? What time would you wake up? What was your practice
Well,
regime?
it's been the same now as well, not just before the Olympics. It's been the same since I think it's been 4 years now, I guess. So my session starts at 4:30 in the morning, 4:15 in the morning, and until 6:30 again, a bit of break, and again 8:39 until 11:30, 12. So again in the evening around 4 until 6:30. So this is my session the whole day. And
Prime Minister sort of dropped a bomb on everybody with the 500,000 rupee notes. Did you go through your wallet last night and you're like, oh, Dad, what do I do with these now?
well, we've been sorting out yesterday. I was seeing the news and this has come out. So I think it's a good idea from his side. So I think now everybody have to be, well prepared. What's going to happen next? What's going to happen next? So really, I think seeing the 2000 notes, and it's been really great. So looking forward.